Do you want to take a shower first?
No.
Okay.
Baby, in her bed one night, honey.
Let the Barbie stand. Can she stand now so she can be best friend? Oh, about Barbie, can she stand now? They can stand together. Oh, can you let her stand, Jelana? Can you have?
Whoa! Look at all that stuff.
Dog food, only dog food.
Oh, she got dog food.
Yes. Honey. Hi, honey. Happy Baba night.
Hello, Chai.
Aww. I have two baby dolls.
Who's baby doll?
Yeah, she had a baby dog.
What's your baby? This is. I have the dog. Okay. That's food. I have the dog. I don't want to eat the dog.
What happened, anak?
What's the honey? Honey.
Honey? What happened to your honey?
I know honey. Bye, baby. Bye, mom.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, dog. Okay, then.
Okay, is she going to her friends?
No. Hey, Joey.
Back, your back. Straight your back.
Okay. Timba back.
Straight your back. Oh, walang daw ng ilaw na, so. Oh, there's your Barbie.
Hey, me at the dog. No, I have to shower.
Because no power.
We might get no power.
She was standing. Ay, nag-play na sila eh. Alam mo naman yung mga yan.
Honey.
Oo.
I made this cake. You made the cake. Hey, you bet, honey.
Oh, yeah.
I know bed.
She's gonna play in no pants.
Too bad.
Oh, that's their bed.
Yeah.
Why Barbie no pants? Cover her legs then. And then she can play in the... Oh, she can stand in the boat.
Anybody?
Oh, she fell. Yeah.
I take the boat too.
Oh, no, Barbie can stand on the boat.
Whoa. Oh, baby.
Sa labas,
Jay, did you shower?
Won, tapos na kasi wala nga ng kuryente. Si baby na lang. Mahangin na, mother.
What?
Mahangin.
Honey.
Yes, ma'am.